Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to create a Google Meet. Google Meet basically means an app that is created for individuals and teams to hold vital meetings, classes, and others. So this is how you're going to create your Google Meet. But remember, if you want to create your Google Meet, you have to make sure that you're connected to internet or you have mobile data. Therefore, here is how you're going to create your Google Meet. You go to your Google Chrome or your browser. Then you click on your icon. Then you come to where the Google apps are. Then you look for the Meet and you click on it. So it's going to give you a view like this. Here we have new meetings. Now there are options here where we have create a meeting for later, or start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So we are going to look at them one by one. Let me start with create a meeting for later. Click on it. It's going to give you a link that you're supposed to share it with the team, or you share it with the class, or you share it to the person that you want he or she to join the meeting. So you have to copy the link and you have to make sure that you paste the link here. So after copying, let me paste the link here. Here, so I've copied the link, then I've pasted it here, and let me join in. Wait as we join in. So yeah, if you want to allow the microphone and the camera to all be active, so click on them, then all of them are going to be allowed. Then having done that, you come here. So this is in this place where you're going to be joining others or the rest of people or the rest of the team that you're having the meeting with. Okay, so let's go to present here. So here you are going to start your meeting. So these are some of the icons or some of the things that you're going to use. This one, it is a video setting. Then we have the show of the more information. And this one you have this, if you want to share your screen with others, you can use this. And here, these are some of the emojis that you can use, or you can send them to show the reactions. Then here are some of the captions. When you turn on, you can use them during the classes. Then here are some of the, it's one of the emojis. Also, if you want to give out something, if you want to notify or clarify something, you raise up your hands. Then yeah, when you're done, you leave, click on this, and then you leave the call. No, you have to go back to home screen. Okay, having looked at creating a meeting for later, let's also look at starting an instant meeting. So we click on it as it is loading. So here it means the meeting is already on. As well, it also shows these icons for all the different uses as I already explained in the previous one. So here they're going to be sending for you the notification, the friends or the teams or the colleagues that you have in the meeting. They will send for you the notifications here, then you keep on adding them. And also, if you're done with the meeting, you exit or you leave the call. Let's go back to the home screen. Having finished, just start the instant meeting. Let's look at how you can schedule in Google Calendar. So here is our calendar. You are going to create, or you are going to make a title for your for the meeting. Let me say class meeting. Alright, you're going to save it. Then here it's the calendar, whereby you're going to choose the date when you want the meeting to be, and also the time and the rest. So after that, you come here, you join with the Google Meet. And then, yeah, the meeting is going to start, or it will start on that day that you want it, or you have already scheduled in your Google Calendar. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. See you later in the next video. Thank you.